Hello everyone, it's Climmie from Climmie's Creations, and I have an add-on to the first video that I did over the paper bag purse journal because as you can see before me, I've got some kits from a few different people. Okay, the first one comes from Nectar's Creations, and if you'll notice, and this is the letters to Rose, and if you'll notice the amount of white that's left over on the page as compared to a kit from Dreams Etc., the amount of white that's left over. Now this is from Calico Collage, and I can't call that white because I've coffee dyed this, but you can see the width of it. And this one, these two kits, I'm showing you guys these images because all these kits are absolutely beautiful. The amount of white that's left over in that one, okay? Absolutely love these kits. Okay, but you can tell the difference in the edge. So why am I telling you that? I'm telling you that because I made my first paperback journal over this kit, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. These sizes right here will fit perfectly in a single signature paper bag purse journal, okay? And we made the base of that in the first video, okay? That will fit perfectly in here. But if you want to take one of the larger kits, okay, one of the larger kits, and by larger I mean that they're covering most of the copy paper, it will not fit. And this kit is from Tsunami Rose. This is her latest kit called French Classifieds. Okay, they will fit not so snugly. See, that I don't like all that extra overhang. Okay, now if you want to, you can go ahead and cut that off, but I don't want to cut that off because you may have to cut some of the images, okay? And sometimes that will mess up your page if you cut too much off, because some of the images are right on the edge of that. Now, if you're going to use this kit with, or something like that, with a 2-inch spine purse journal, that's fine because you don't have that overhang, okay? You don't have all of that overhang. But as the number of pages aren't that many with this kit, and I don't want to, so I don't want to do a 2-inch spine because I just want this kit to be all about French Classifieds. Now, if you want to make a bigger kit, you know, you can go ahead and add different kits. That's fine because I do that all the time. But what I did was I created another base so that I could just do a single signature one of these, okay? So to do that, you need two gift bags, okay? Now, if you need information on the type of bags that I use, because these are real sturdy, watch the first video and I have all that information in that video. So now we're gonna get to it. You just need 2 of those bags. I have one of these large trimmers, you guys. Okay, I love this trimmer. There's another one I wish that I could get pretty soon, but this one is fine. I don't like the way that all of this starts unraveling at the edge. Now this will open up to a very large trimmer, okay? So it does take up a bit of space, but I'm gonna cut my paper bag off camera because of my space, like I said. And it is a peaceful rainy day here, guys. So I'm just enjoying the weather. Now, you see the difference in this. So what I did, because I don't think I told you guys, you just, you're gonna peel this back part off, back a little bit, and I cut along this edge. You have 2 natural folds with these gift bags. You have a fold here, and you have a fold towards the end, okay? Now, this piece I cut, I still have the that natural fold. Okay, I still have that. Now the second cut, you're gonna go ahead and cut this piece off that's closer to your handles. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and cut that. Okay, so I now have two pieces that look like so. Okay, similar to when we did this one for the 2-inch spine a little bit. Okay, so what I want you to do now is go ahead and crease on this fold. Just take your bone folder and crease it so that it folds easily. Okay, now you're going to take this piece and it will fit snugly inside your first piece. Okay, so just put the second piece inside the first piece and that fits snugly. Okay, now if you line this up, make sure, because see on mine, I'd have to go in and cut a little bit more off because you don't want your journal to be uneven. So all I would have to do, guys, is come in and cut a little bit off of this edge right there. But I'm not going to do that. We're going to finish the video. What you then can do is to remove these handles, insert your bone folder, and it was easier for me once I laid the handbag down and simply cut it this way. Okay. And it's just like you're filleting fish and you remove the handle. That's easier than trying to hold it up and do it that way. Okay, so at this point, if you don't want to use double-sided glue, just go ahead and insert your second piece back into your first piece and add tacky glue. But I want to add double-sided tape, so I'll put double-sided tape along the edge, the bottom edge of my piece, turn it over, apply double-sided tape on the bottom edge of this half, and if you want, you can go ahead and add glue a little bit down this edge to close that up. Now on this piece, I'm trying to show you why I'm doing this. Go ahead and add your double-sided tape along the bottom edge of this handbag. Okay, now once you have double-sided tape on this side as well as this side, front and back of that, you can insert your piece back inside. Now you would remove your double-sided tape. Remove the bottom piece first, guys. Don't move the top one, then you can't get to it. And just go ahead and add tacky glue all the way on both sides, so your so that your journal is snug inside. Now, with these journals, when you're making them, you have I'm making a mess here. You have pieces that are left over that look like this. Okay, you have pieces left over that look like this. So what I did with my piece or pieces, you can make something like this. Okay, now I've just covered it with fabric and decorated a little bit, and you can go ahead and add in, you can use them as little gifts. You know how you hold them, the little purses that you hold just like that. Okay, no, it's not a coin purse, but anyway. And I've just got a little bitty journal on the inside of it. Okay, just a little journal. You can add, I know, lace, little paper, you know, just anything you want to add in there to give as gifts. But that's what I created with the leftovers, you know. Be gentle with the trees, everyone. Thank you all for watching.